Hello and welcome back to Homemade. Today I am going to make cream cheese and cake frosting in a very easy and pocket friendly method without using hand blender. I'll use milk as the primary ingredient and turn it into cream cheese and cake frosting. So let's get started. Take a pan and add 500 ml milk. You can take any milk. Heat the milk and continuously stir so that the bottom of the pan doesn't get burnt. Otherwise, there will be a burnt smell from the frosting. Add 1 tablespoon vinegar or lime juice and stir again till the milk curdles completely. When the liquid or whey turns colorless or obtains the color as shown in the video, turn off the heat. Our cottage cheese or chena or crumbled paneer is ready. Now place a strainer on a vessel and put a cotton or muslin cloth over the strainer. Strain the cottage cheese, but do not throw away the whey. Keep it aside and let it cool for 5 to 10 minutes. Now take a mixing jar and put the cottage cheese in it. Make sure the cheese isn't too hot, otherwise it will build up high pressure inside the jar and may cause the lid of the jar to open while blending. Add 1 tablespoon whey and blend until you obtain a smooth paste. Do not add too much whey at once, otherwise it will make our cheese very runny. Check the smoothness of the cheese in small intervals and add more whey if you find the cheese is too tight. Blend again if required till you obtain a smooth texture without any granules. Once it has become smooth, add 2 tablespoons curd and blend again till smooth. Make sure the curd isn't very watery. Our cream cheese is ready. You may mix salt and pepper with it and use it as a cheese spread on your bread or any food you want. For cake frosting, blend it with powdered sugar. Take the sugar quantity as per your taste and refrigerate it for at least 2 to 3 hours before frosting. You can see the frosting has turned stiff after refrigeration. If you find the frosting isn't as stiff as you want, refrigerate it for a longer time or add a very little amount of cornstarch to stabilize the frosting. But keep in mind that adding too much of cornstarch will change the taste of the frosting. Make sure you chill the frosting before using it. I refrigerated the frosting for 15 hours and blended it again. The frosting turned stiffer. If you refrigerate it for more than 12 hours, the frosting will automatically turn stiff. Thank you for watching. I'll be back soon with another interesting recipe. So please keep watching. If you liked the video, please like, share, subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thank you.